Welcome to my channel. My name is Mike, and today we're going to test and review a product that claims to make your 3D printing easier and better. Today we're diving into the Creality Pi Space Filament Dryer. Creality makes some bold claims about this little gadget, and I'm here to see if it lives up to the hype. In this review, I'll be testing 4 key promises: ease of use and setup, effectiveness in drying filament and improving print quality, noise level during operation, and overall build quality and design. I've got some specific tests lined up to compare how filament performs before and after drying. Let's see if the Space Pi is the real deal or just another gimmick. Let's get started. Let's get this unpacked and set up. I sped up the video here not to put everyone asleep. As you can see, the unit is well packed and protected and is covered in plastic. The chamber door that opens up and down is also covered in plastic wrap to protect it from scratching. As you notice, it comes with 2 filament tubes, a power cord, and an instruction booklet. In a moment, you're going to see that the top looks a bit loose side to side, but after inspecting it, I feel that it will hold up and I won't have any concerns in the future. Okay, the unit is plugged in. There is a power switch in the back which will kill all power to the unit. Up front, we have a power button. We hold it momentarily and the power goes on. Over here you have a wheel. The wheel will move from material, time, PV, and SV to go to the section we need to make modifications. The PV, when you press up and down, will change it temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Once we push again, we're on SV. SV will change the temperature that you want to set the unit for, as you can see. Then we press again and we go to material. Let's go over the material presets. We have PLA, which is set for 50 Celsius. We have TPU, which is set for 55 Celsius. We have PP, which is set for 55 Celsius. We have ABS, temperature set for 65 Celsius. ASA, 65 Celsius. PETG, 60 Celsius. PC at 65 Celsius. PA at 65 Celsius. PET is set for 60 Celsius, PLA carbon fiber 50 Celsius, PETG CF, which is set for 60 Celsius. We have PETG carbon fiber, which is set for 60 Celsius. We have PA carbon fiber set for 65 Celsius. One thing to note, we can change the temperature. If we want it to go a little hotter, we can go ahead and raise it. And then once we get to the time, press the up arrow and the unit starts going on. You set the temperature, you leave it at that, and when it reaches 0, the unit will shut down. The unit has the capability of going up to 48 hours before it does shut down. Our current decibels when quiet are between 21 and 22. Let's turn the unit on and let's see how noisy this is. Not that bad. I hear a slight hum, but it went up only 2 to 3 decibels. Setting up the Creality Space Pi Filament Dryer is refreshingly straightforward, making it a hassle-free addition to any 3D printing workflow. Right out of the box, the unboxing and setup process was intuitive. Simply plug in the unit, place your filament spool inside, and use the LCD touchscreen to select your desired drying settings. The dryer comes preloaded with one-touch presets for up to 12 filament types. so you don't need to fiddle with temperature or timing unless you want to. Its compact design and built-in power supply means it's ready to go virtually to any workspace. Within minutes, you can have your filament drying with minimal efforts. No tools, no complicated calibration, just plug and play simplicity. The Creality Space by Filament Dryer proves highly effective in combating filament moisture issues that often plague 3D printing. Thanks to its hot air heating system and built-in fan, it delivers consistent, even drying across the entire spool, helping eliminate problems like stringing, bubbling, and poor layer adhesion. Its adjustable temperature range is between 45 and 70 Celsius, and the drying timer up to 48 hours. This allows for precise control tailored to different filament types, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and other filament types. Whether prepping your filament before printing or in midpoint, the SpacePi creates a low humidity environment that ensures your material stays in optimal condition. Let's talk about noise. The Creality SpacePi Filament Dryer operates with a relatively low noise level, making it suitable for use in quiet environments like home, office, or shared workspaces. While it does use a built-in fan to circulate hot air, the sound it produces is within acceptable limits for continuous operation. Compared to other filament dryers, the SpacePi is specifically designed with a quieter performance in mind. Overall, it maintains a comfortable acoustic profile that won't disrupt your workflow or ambient atmosphere. The Creality SpacePi Filament Dryer stands out with its sleek, modern design and build quality that reflects thoughtful engineering. Its silver gray body, paired with its translucent black lid, gives it a futuristic design that complements any 3D printing setup. The unit is constructed with durable material that feels sturdy and reliable, ensuring long-term use without signs of wear. Internally, the layout is optimized for airflow and heat distribution. Every detail, from the smooth spool rollers to the responsive LCD touchscreen, feels well executed, combining form and function in a way that enhances both usability and the visible appeal. Let's quickly go through some pros and cons. It has effective moisture removal. It dries filament uniformly and efficiently. It has a user-friendly interface with a touchscreen and one key presets makes it easy to operate. It has a wide temperature and time range. It offers flexibility for various filament types and drying needs, 45 to 70 Celsius and 0 to 48 hours. It has a broad filament compatibility. It works with all types of filaments and supports numerous material types. It has a compact design and doesn't take up excessive workspace. It improves print quality, significantly reduces issues like stringing, clogging, and poor adhesion. Now let's talk about the lid sturdiness. As we mentioned earlier in the video, I feel the transparent lid could be more robust, though it does generally function as intended. Let's talk about the humidity sensor accuracy. While it provides general humidity readings, I've noticed over time that the sensor tends to plateau at values like 13 to 35%, regardless of the actual conditions. This suggests that while the dryer performs well overall, the humidity sensor may not offer precise or consistent measurements for crucial drying applications. Now let's get into our grading system. For ease of use, I give it an A. For effectiveness, a B+. Noise level, A-. Build quality and design, A-. Overall, I would recommend this unit. And thank you for joining us today. My name is Michael, and I am DIY Daddy-O.